In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align elements horizontally in Miro. Whether you're collaborating on a complex project or just setting up a simple layout, having neatly aligned elements can make a significant difference in the clarity and professionalism of your work. So, let's dive into the process, which is not only straightforward but also quick and efficient. First things first, you'll want to start by opening your Miro board, containing the elements that you need to align. Once you're in, visually locate the objects or elements that you want to be aligned. You'll need to select these items, and you can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse to create a selection box around these components. If they're scattered, don't worry. You can hold down the Shift key while clicking on each object individually. This allows you to select multiple elements at once, which is perfect for aligning them together. Now that your objects are selected, it's time to look at the options that Miro offers for alignment. At the top of the screen, you should see a toolbar that appears once the items are selected. This dynamic toolbar provides helpful tools for manipulating the objects. Look for the option labeled Align Objects. It usually resembles two different lines coming together with a slight overlap. Click on this option to bring up a drop-down menu with various alignment choices. With the drop-down menu visible, you'll see several ways to align your objects. But for this tutorial, since we're focusing on horizontal alignment, go straight for the option that says Align Horizontally. This is typically represented by horizontal lines in the icon. By selecting this option, Miro will automatically adjust the positioning of your selected elements, making sure they're neatly aligned on a common horizontal axis. This tool is particularly beneficial when you want all your elements to create a clean, consistent line that enhances the visual organization of your board. It's especially useful if you're working with text boxes, shapes, or images that need a uniform layout. Once you've pressed the option, take a moment to review the new arrangement of your objects. Make any minor manual adjustments if necessary, although Miro's alignment tool generally handles the task superbly. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to ensure that your elements are perfectly aligned horizontally in Miro. Consistent alignment not only improves the aesthetics, but also enhances readability and overall comprehension for anyone viewing your board. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and with these steps, you can keep your projects looking sharp and professional. Thanks for joining me today, and happy collaborating in Miro.